works really well with whiteheads and blackheads as well. The charcoal and the soybean in this product is really good to detoxify and to extract all of those nasty, dirty black and whiteheads on your face. So we're gonna start off with how it actually looks. It has a really nice, comfortable pump, and we're gonna see the texture. As you can see, it's completely black. And the scent is a really nice and cool scent. It's not too strong. It smells really fresh. So we can see the texture, a bit stringy, not too heavy, but definitely there, cheesy, stringy, nice and packed. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to use this product. You actually can use it with a dry face, so no water is needed at first. Just to see how much you need, depending on the person. It's just a thin layer on your face. Once you start applying it, you can see that bubbles are going to start forming pretty quickly on your face. So the bubbles are not heavy at all. They're really nice and light and fine. As you can see, the bubbles have started forming however long you want. So either from 3 to 5 minutes, anything is okay. And then once all of the bubbles are formed, you can go ahead and massage it lightly onto your face for a more of a cleansing kind of treatment. We're gonna wait until all of the bubbles are formed, and then you can go ahead and start massaging it into your face. And it also makes kind of a funny sound once you start massaging it. And the product itself is really nice and moisturizing. You want to go ahead and massage it gently into your skin so that it can detoxify and cleanse out. So once it's been on for about 3 to 5 minutes, you can go ahead and wash off your face with lukewarm water. And you just want to rinse it off. And after you're done with using this product, you can go ahead and use the rest of your skincare products, toner, serum, anything like that. So as a tip, this product can actually be used as a second cleanser because when the bubbles come up, it has a nice cleansing effect on your pores, and it also deep cleanses your skin as well. That's why it can be used as a second cleanser to get a deeper clean into your skin.